All right, traders, welcome back to another trading session. So I was hoping to trade a PA account today. As you saw in the last video, we passed the eval, but it seems that there's some kind of outage and I cannot access Apex Trader Funding's website. There's a Cloudflare outage, something like that. So it looks like today I'm going to have to try to pass another eval, which is fine, but I wish it was a PA. But hey, I'll take two PAs if I can. So let's get into the trading session and the morning game plan that I have sent already in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Send it every single morning, and you should too. So morning game plan for today is the following. We have swept this 1 hour low, which is also an area of demand. We're currently trading in that area of demand above the midpoint, so that is good. We want to stay above that midpoint. And this lower gray box is a 4 hour level of demand. So we've taken out quite a bit of liquidity in this area of demand on the higher time frame, and now we've taken out liquidity on the lower time frame, also again in an area of demand. So looking for a little bit of a relief rally hopefully today. So my bias is ideally long, but I don't marry my bias. So if this thing just starts tanking off the open, you know, I might just have to take it short lower, but hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully we get a relief rally. So let's see. The market is about to open here again. If you haven't figured it out by now, this is where I do my trades, my executions. I put it on this side of the screen because it was kind of annoying having to put it on the screen and off the screen again. So now we just have the same charts on both sides of the screen, but I do my analysis here and my executions here. So literally no way to fake this. You see my executions and the time lapses and everything on this side with no interruptions whatsoever. So let's see what happens here at the market open. I'll let you guys know when I have a setup. All right, I'm going to put an order in at 24,685. 24,685. This would be a 2-minute zone. Okay, apparently I am long. The data is completely out of sync. Alrighty. Well, if I close that, would I technically be in profit? I mean, I'm technically at a loss right now. This is not... Okay. Well, let's see if I can survive this. Basically full porting the account here. Data is completely out of sync. It's almost like it's delayed here. Very confusing. Can't trade. This is impossible to trade. This is really bad on NinjaTrader's part. It looks like TradingView is in real time. This is what's actually happening, and this is NinjaTrader. So we're in quite a bit of profit, and we will be in profit here. But this is so stupid. Okay, well, dude, target's hit. All right, but not yet on NinjaTrader apparently. Man, this is so dumb. I'm gonna hold this. I mean, it's like I'm trading the past. It's like 24,797. Okay, I'll just sell it here, right? 24,795. Yeah, so I'll just put it here. Dude, am I trading the past right now? And filled. What is going on? Okay, well, there's the trade there. One and done, maybe? Probably could have taken more profit, I guess, but that was just confusing the hell out of me. So, didn't really know what to do there. And it's still not in sync. I mean, this is bizarre. I'm going to try to fix this, but that was a $2,210 trade. So, almost past the eval there. By the way, guys, Apex Trader Funding is having its biggest sale yet, as far as I've seen. Probably the best deal that I've seen. Oh, this thing's going to 24,600. As I explain this, watch 24,600 closely because we have tons and tons of orders on the book map there. 24,600 is going to be a huge area. If this breaks, who knows where we go next. It's going to be a massive red day if that happens. So currently Apex Trader Funding has 80% off its evaluation accounts. Here we go. And $40 activation fee. Oh, there it is. There's 24,600. So this means that you can get an account for, I think, 33 bucks. And then if you pass the account, you pay 40 bucks. So in total, you're only paying about $70, $80 for a fully funded account. Yes, that is about $80 for a fully funded account. Okay, so that's pretty hard to beat, especially because you can do 1 day to pass. So you can just, what I like to do is just go heavy on the first couple trades and pass them really quickly. And then I basically have a funded account for 80 bucks, 70 bucks. So if you want to take advantage of that sale going on right now, it's only going to be for about the next week. Use code ST at Apex Trader Funding for that discount and help support the channel if you like this content. So you can see right there, 24,600 holding up pretty nicely for now. But if this fails, it's going to be really, really bad. So let's see if we can hold it. All right, I'm going to take a trade here at 24,451. It's going to be a really risky and small trade because this thing is pretty prone to go into its lows. Pretty much needs to turn around right away. We just need a few $100 more to pass this eval. So yeah, this is looking not too good right now. Matter of fact, I might close it out. I'm gonna close it out for a quick scalp there. I don't like this right now. It could work out, but this massive amount of momentum into the zone and closure below the midline is a pretty bad sign. And it looks like that was the right call for now. If it starts to reject, maybe if it breaks its highs, then I'll re-enter. Right now it's just too weak. We had this level of demand and level of liquidity, as well as that M shape. And we do think that this is starting to kind of bottom out. But there are tons of orders at 24,400. So, and I just realized 24,400 is this 4-hour low. So I'm just gonna sit on my hands for now. There's just too much magnetic pull here at 24,400. I think I'm going to buy it on this, looking for a breakout. Oh, looks like my Ninja Trader is crashing. You can't make up all this technical difficulty that I've been going through lately. It is crashing. Okay, so I now have to restart Ninja Trader. Trying to catch it. It seems like the bulls want to take control here. Let me make sure everything's good. Stop loss would be just below these lows probably. Again, not my usual trade. Definitely not. And in fact, it's kind of in a bearish order zone now that I think about it. All these highs are being swept into a pretty strong area of supply. This might be bad. This might not be bueno. Yep. Alright, small loss there. No biggie. Very typical manipulation there that I just didn't quite spot. Took out these highs, demand or supply zone right here. That was actually beautiful. Should have been a short. I need to get rid of this zone here. It's making me think differently. A lot of chop here. This is the type of price action that will easily take away all your profits on the day and blow up your account, and then some. Just very choppy, no real decision, no real decisive moves. Alright, this is probably a terrible idea, but I'm gonna flip it short. Really wide stop loss here. Don't really love that, but this thing just looks like it wants to get down to that 24,400 level. And so I'm going to try to ride that down after also rejecting this area, this bearish order zone. Very risky trade, not a trade I would take normally. Literally in the middle of a range, so the chop can be pretty insane. But this thing's got to break one way or the other, and I'm just going to bet that it's going to break down. I've already taken out the liquidity up there. Should have what it needs to get to these lows at least. Should get a flush down here. And as soon as I have enough to pass this eval, I'm getting out of this. I'm going to go to break even there. Vulnerable break even, but whatever. Don't want to take too much risk. So this is actually a bullish order zone now. And it looks like it's getting destroyed. For now. Oh, holding that midline. Ah, crap. Wow, look at the volume on that. This might be the... might be... Oh my god, look at that volume. Holy moly. This might come back and take me out. I might just scalp this out. I think I'm going to scalp that out. Don't like the way this looks. Could this easily fail? Sure, but that volume is just very intense. And I mean, damn. This chop is just really hard to trade, guys. It's, it does want to get down to 24,410, but you just can't trust it, man. And that was a bullish setup there. Oh, of course. Whatever. Made back what we lost on this small loss here. There's the flush down to 24,400. And now we have taken out the low, that 4-hour low. There's 24,400, and we are still going lower. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. May try my luck here. Small, look for a really quick bounce. Really quick reversal if we can get it. 24,400 area. It's got to reclaim that yellow line. You see there. 24,410. It's got to reclaim that and quickly. Come on. Man, that's going red. $3.75 quarter number, but this thing looks like it wants to sell off. I'm just gonna scalp it out again. This is not how I trade, guys, just so you know. This is just me trying to take really quick trades. All right, that looks pretty good. I think I gotta try to buy that. Oh my god. All right, this is my last trade of the day. At this point, I'm just chasing price around. It's a battle right now. A battle for the buyers and sellers. Someone's gonna give up soon. And I hope it's the sellers. Sellers gotta give up soon. Alright, break even. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Boom. Passed it. And it's another PA booked. Let's go. And that's just trading pure order flow, pure price action, pure vibes, really. No, look at the order book. You can see all those massive orders that just got filled on that massive manipulation candle, and the battle for sellers and buyers, and then this is just like the release. The sellers gave up here. So there's the imbalance back up, and this may be bottom of the day. I'm not gonna lie, this just seems like a great spot to be buying. It's flushed everyone out of the market. Now I could still be in this, but I don't need to be in this because I just needed a grand to pass my eval. Once again, guys, the best sale Apex has to offer is happening right now. If you use code ST, you'll get 80% off. Code ST, you get 80% off and a $40 activation fee. Usually it's 80% off and like a $100 activation fee. So it is a really, really good deal. Code ST at Apex Trader Funding. If you don't like Apex, you can use Take Profit Trader using code Simple Trader. All right, guys, another good day in the books. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me show you here's the full day's execution, so you know that I'm not faking anything, right? It's all happened in real time right in front of your faces. Join the Discord. Link in the description is down below, and I'll see you in the next one.